Hi, I'm NASA Kennedy's Jim Cawley, and this is Kennedy Countdown. NASA's Landsat 9 satellite launched on the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket from Space Launch Complex 3 at Vandenberg Space Force Base in California on Monday. Built to monitor the Earth's land surface, the satellite will join its sister satellite, Landsat 8, in orbit. Working in tandem, the two satellites will collect images spanning the entire planet every 8 days. Landsat 9 is a joint mission between NASA and the U.S. Geological Survey. NASA's Launch Services program at Kennedy Space Center managed the launch. Artemis teams at Kennedy performed modal tests on the Space Launch System in the Vehicle Assembly Building. The tests helped determine the natural frequencies of the recently stacked rocket before launch of the Artemis I mission. The data also will be used to help steer the rocket during flight. To identify the SLS's natural frequencies, the team placed about 300 sensors on the rocket and mobile launcher to detect, record, and transmit the information, along with hydraulic shakers in 7 locations on the rocket. Additional tests will be completed as NASA prepares for Artemis I, the first integrated test of the rocket and Orion spacecraft. To keep up with Kennedy, check us out on social media and at nasa.gov/Kennedy.